guys, JB here. Excited you're with me today. We're in the studio today and we got a big old box. Bringing it in. We got an unboxing and a review today of a desk. Now, these aren't the most exciting things, but they can be very practical for you in the things that you're doing. So I have a desk that's very similar to this one that I did a review a couple years ago, and now I'm turning into a flight simulator desk. I haven't got the throttle and the yokes. You're going to see some videos. In fact, later this week, I'm going on my first discovery flight. I'm working on my pilot's license now, which is pretty cool, and I'll be bringing you some of that content to the channel here as I go on that journey. But today, we are talking about a table, and like I said, these tables have multi-purposes and multi-functions, so I just want to get into it and see if it's easy to put together. Is this something that I would recommend to you? I did get this sent to me by the company. The link is down below, and I'm not getting paid for this review or anything. They did send me this, which is cool. And it's a reasonable price. I think it's $157 on Amazon right now. And I just want to see what the quality's like and how the desk sets up. So first of all, we've obviously got the packaging here. Let's go ahead and get this out. We have the whatever this is called, the whatchamajigger for the desk. Feels real sturdy. I do like that. That is really good. Okay, and then we have the bar. I would assume this is for the feet, right? Okay, so yeah, there we go. And actually, I can put those in pretty quickly. It comes with 4 rollers, which is nice, so you can roll around. Again, very similar to the other desk that I have here. I can see it's very similar. I'm just going to set those to the side. We're going to set this down here on the floor where it belongs. And let's see, we've got a tool and some bolts and stuff. Now, I always use my drill, and I actually bought a kit with a million different extenders in here. You can kind of see this. So that way I can just use a drill and less torque on my hands and stuff when I'm putting these type of things together, like any type of furnishing. But it does come with everything. I love the fact that they label it, and I also like the fact that things are in separate bags. Because typically when I do a project like this, first thing I do is I take everything out and I lay it out on the table. And this is marked and already done for me, so that's pretty cool. Instructions, which I never read, but they are here. We're going to go ahead and put those to the side. And we also have a plate. Again, everything seems to be marked pretty good, but let's go ahead and take these out. The desk that I have here is a wood tone. This desk comes in different colors, but this actually looks pretty good. Pretty good size. Yeah, pretty good quality. Pretty good. Again, it's very similar to the other desks that I'm setting up for my flight simulator kind of setup. But these desks are cool. Like, you can use them in the living room. You can use them, push them around, put your computer on them, and they're just very multifunctional, which you can use in tight spaces, which I like, especially as I'm working on right now a place up in Indiana, which is more of a cabin. I'm not going to have a lot of space up there. So let's see, is there anything else in here? Packed really well. I'm sure this is coming from overseas, so that was actually packed very good in the box, okay? So again, let's see, we just put this down here. Let's see what it says. Looks like the construction is pretty easy. I'll go ahead and just keep going here while we're doing this because it does look pretty easy. Step 1, we say let's put on the wheels. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Again, we'll just throw these on here. We're all set. Desk is in place. Let's go ahead and fire it up. And woo, there we go. Look, standing desk. Push it down. Wow, I like it. This thing works pretty good. All right, let's go test it out. Got it built. Let's go test it out. So what's great about these desks is not only can you use them at the office, but also at home. You can move them around. Again, for small spaces, they work really well. Sit in front of the TV and do your work, and then you can take the desk up if you want to stand and do it. And also, you can build what I'm going to do with one of the other desks that I got is a flight simulator on them, and they're just very versatile. So I think if you're looking for a small desk for the price, easy to put together. I thought this was really easy to assemble. Works real well. It feels very sturdy and stable. It's going to be a good desk for you for a very long time. So I give this a thumbs up. I think it's a great desk. As always, hey, thanks for watching these videos. I appreciate you, and we'll keep bringing them. All right, so have a fantastic day, and we'll see you in the next video. Watching to the end of the video, really appreciate you. Want more awesome energy and fun? Hit that subscribe button right there. That'll get you subscribed to the channel, or you can watch the next video that YouTube is recommending right here. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.